Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tevain. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make French toast. It's quick and easy to make, and I got some few ingredients that you have in your household. If you have not yet seen this entire playlist, go ahead and enjoy. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 slices of bread, 2 eggs, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of butter for frying, a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 cup of almond milk. You can have whatever kind of milk you want to, just use regular milk or plant-based milk, and finally, a pinch of salt. First, add 2 eggs and a cup of milk into the dish. Give that a whisk. You can also use an electric mixer or a whisk, but sometimes it's kind of hard to whisk those eggs with a fork. Be sure to give this a good stir. Next, add in the vanilla, some ground cinnamon, and some brown sugar. Give this a mix until well combined. Once again, give this a nice stir for about 2 to 4 minutes until well combined. Now at the very end, add just a pinch of salt into the custard. Mix it up again. I would suggest that you should have a frying pan, but I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on medium heat. I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of butter for a non-stick purpose. Just waiting for the butter to melt for another 2 to 4 minutes. For me, almond milk is part of the batter for soaking the bread slices. Whole milk and eggs are the combining ingredients to make this rich custard. Coat them on both sides evenly. Cook these slices of bread for 4 to 6 minutes on each side until golden brown. Don't forget to do the same as the other bread. Remember to keep your eye on both breads in the skillet so that you cannot cook them for so long. Personally, I think I would use brown bread instead, but if you have white bread, it's a lot easier to fully cook them for non-stick purposes, even though it is not supposed to melt on the inside. You will always have to soften the bread once you have white bread. I forgot to mention that I use higher fat milk. Follow the milk to egg ratio provided in this recipe. Place some French toast on your plate. Serve with maple syrup. You can even use the ones that are organic. I would definitely apply the non-fat syrup. You can either serve them with bacon or fruit. It's just up to you. Bon appetit! Alright, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Tell me in the comments below about why you think it's a delicious looking recipe. It is best served for your family, or you could save some for your friends sometime. But it is simply perfect for your breakfast or brunch. It's a combination of breakfast and lunch, but it refers to a late morning meal eaten at a specific time. This is Tevain signing off, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Delicious.